Welcome to today's review on Vtronix Classic America 12,000 BTU Smart Mini Split AC Heat Pump. This compact cooling system brings reliable comfort for modern home living spaces. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this mini split AC heat pump at the best price in the market. This unit combines efficient heating and cooling performance with smart connectivity and a sleek wall-mounted design that fits well in bedrooms, apartments, and small offices while maintaining consistent temperature control throughout the day for user-friendly comfort. With 12,000 BTU output, this system is designed to handle spaces up to 550 square feet efficiently, while its 19 SEER2 rating ensures lower energy consumption and steady performance, making it suitable for both heating in cold seasons and cooling during hot days. Smart control features allow users to operate the air conditioner through Wi-Fi app integration, Alexa voice commands, or the included remote, giving flexibility in adjusting temperature modes and scheduling without needing to manually access the indoor unit for convenience. The inverter technology helps maintain quiet operation at low noise levels, making it ideal for bedrooms and study rooms where minimal disturbance is important while still delivering strong airflow and consistent climate control throughout the space. Its cooling and heating coverage makes it a practical choice for small to medium rooms, ensuring stable comfort levels in living areas, bedrooms, or home offices without requiring complex duct installations or major renovations. The package includes a complete installation kit with insulated copper tubing, power cables, and wall-mounting accessories, making setup more straightforward for professionals while also being helpful for DIY users who prefer guided installation support for their home comfort system. Multiple operating modes including auto cooling, heating, dry, and fan allow users to customize indoor climate easily, while features like auto restart, programmable timer, and air swing distribution enhance convenience and ensure even airflow across the entire room environment. One of the biggest advantages of this mini split system is its balance of efficiency and smart functionality, combined with a strong warranty that provides peace of mind for buyers. It performs well in both heating and cooling modes while maintaining relatively low energy consumption. The Wi-Fi and Alexa integration adds modern convenience, and the included installation kit reduces additional purchase needs, making it a complete solution for small to medium spaces. However, some users may find the initial installation more complex compared to window units, and professional installation is recommended for best performance. The noise level is generally low but not completely silent in high power mode, and Wi-Fi setup may require basic technical understanding. Additionally, the upfront cost can feel higher than basic air conditioners, though efficiency may balance long-term energy savings. Compared to traditional air conditioning systems, this unit stands out for its inverter technology, smart controls, and higher energy efficiency rating, making it a strong contender for users looking to upgrade to a more modern and cost-efficient cooling and heating solution for everyday home use. For buyers seeking reliable year-round climate control, this system delivers strong value and convenience, and it is worth considering for long-term home comfort needs. To get the best available price and current offers, make sure to use the link in the description before making your final decision. Overall, this Vtronix Classic America Mini Split AC Heat Pump offers efficient performance, smart connectivity, quiet operation, and reliable year-round comfort, making it a practical investment for modern households looking for energy-saving and convenient temperature control solutions at home today.